Today, I'm going to talk about Ripple and why I think it's going to hit $10 or more in value per Ripple coin in 2018. I bought 25 Ripple only over a month ago and I'm now up 350% on my initial investment. When Ripple hits $10, I could be up a whopping 4,000%. So let's start off with why I think Ripple will hit over $10 in 2018. Now, the first thing I want to address is the soar in price we have seen Ripple take over the past few weeks. It went absolutely crazy and finally broke the $1 barrier everyone was hoping for. As visually depicted by this graph, here was the weak surge in Ripple's price. And as you can see, it went up to $1.09. This is absolutely huge news for Ripple because it has been written about in thousands of articles since it took the rise over $1, thus giving it far more media coverage and allowing for the currency to be more popularly circulated and talked about. I mean, just take a look when I type in Ripple news and look at the sheer amount of articles that come up. Now, a lot of people have been looking at the graphs and been saying that this is a simple pump and dump. Now, even if this was the case, which it quite possibly could be, this is still good news for Ripple because it has created such an absolute storm in the media. It's got everybody talking about it. It's got people wanting to invest in the currency because of fear of missing out. And basically, the buying and selling volume is going up. So I don't see the price of Ripple going down to where it was before. I see it sticking around maybe sort of the 0.7 to $1 mark as we go into 2018. The next thing I want to talk about is Ripple and its adoption of banks. As you can see here, there's a list of all the banks and all the services that have taken Ripple on board. Santander's there, American Express is there, and these are huge players in the financial industry. Although this removes the anonymity and steers from the decentralized model that Ripple wants to adopt, this is a great thing for growth. Now, a lot of crypto heads won't like the fact that it's gone away from the decentralized model because we're giving control back to the banks. But essentially, a lot of people in the cryptocurrency industry now are just looking to make money, and they're looking for stable investors to put their faith and to put their money into the product. Places like Santander and American Express are prime examples of this, and they will help the business grow to no end. And Ripple is currently one of the only cryptocurrencies that is being trialed in banks. Ripple is an absolutely perfect currency for the system that banks want to run. They want to run a fast transaction service with low operational costs and minimal fees. Long gone are the days of waiting 2 days for your money to travel to an international country. Long gone are the days of paying ridiculous SEPA transaction fees, and long gone are the days of currency conversion fees. Now, although the currency is only being trialed, it's almost indefinitely going to be used in banks in the future. It just makes sense to offer a feeless transaction service to your customers which utilizes faster technology than ever seen before. If Ripple were to offer a service at my bank, I currently bank with Santander, so hopefully they will in the future, I would definitely take out an account at Santander just because of the pure speed of Ripple, the security of it, and the fact that I'd be able to buy things from abroad without having to pay ridiculous fees. By Ripple being taken on board by banks, it will allow for major players in the industry to invest in Ripple, causing massive amounts of growth for the currency and getting it even closer to that $10 mark in 2018. So more money for us, guys. Alongside this, there are rumors that Coinbase is looking to add Ripple to their services, as can be seen from this article here. As you can see, it says Coinbase plans to add new coins in 2018. This was confirmed by Coinbase's CEO on CNBC. However, they haven't announced which coins will be added yet. Now, I believe they did do a Twitter vote a couple days ago. I can't actually find where it is, but Ripple did actually top the charts on that vote. So Coinbase, if they do listen to their customers, will be adding Ripple. If you didn't know already, Coinbase is one of the biggest websites in the game that you can go to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, or Litecoin. With the addition of Ripple to this service, the popularity, understanding, and circulation of Ripple will only begin to rise. If I type in "where can I buy Bitcoin" into Google, you'll soon see that one of the top articles suggests you to go on Coinbase. As we can see here, it says some of the most popular options are Coinbase, Blockchain Info, and whatever that says. With the addition of Ripple to Coinbase, this also means the addition of Ripple to GDAX. This is great because it now removes the fees you have to pay to trade Ripple on other exchanges like Kraken and Binance, allowing you to keep more of your money and invest more of it into the currencies of your choice. Also, the addition of the currency to GDAX will only make the price soar more. If you didn't know already, GDAX is an exchange with one of the highest volume trading values. And higher volume trading values mean more Ripple being sold, more Ripple being bought, which therefore equates to more growth for the currency. So let me just show you guys how many Bitcoins are being traded for dollars at the moment. As you can see up here, it says 87,000 Bitcoins being traded. Now that is a crazy volume for an exchange. And if Ripple were to be added to this exchange, it would increase popularity and people would just trade in it more. So therefore, if the volume of the trading goes up, we can hope to see growth. Now, the final thing I want to be talking about is the market charts. So if I just go ahead and pull up UK TradingView and Coinigy, we can actually see that the current price of Bitcoin to the dollar is 0.915, which is crazy because I saw it go from 0.69 to 0.915 today. So we can still see that there hasn't been a growth past the $1 barrier yet, but it's sticking around that mark. Like I said, it's not going to plummet back down to 0.2. No way. The only way is up from here. And we're going to see Ripple go nearing $10 within 2018. Now, if we go over to Coinigy, we can actually see the chart. This is in day divisions. So it shows the opening and closing price of the day. As you can see, Ripple has been going crazy over the last couple of days, and it's been surpassing what everybody thought it could do. Now, although it's not staying above the $1 barrier, don't let that discourage you. As you can see, I've plotted a moving average on this graph just to show you guys that it is going to be above the trend. Now, if we look in a little closer and we zoom in, we can actually see the moving average line here. It was above the closing price yesterday, which means that's positive, and it means we can still see over time Ripple to continue to rise throughout the end of 2017 and into the early months of 2018 and throughout the whole year. So guys, those are my thoughts on why I think Ripple will hit $10 or more in 2018. If you did learn something from the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and follow me along with my cryptocurrency journey. Now I want to turn it over to you guys. What price do you predict Ripple to achieve in 2018? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Cheers guys. See you in the next video. In GTAX. Fuck, it's gone down to 10 grand. Wow. Fuck my life. Da 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 da.